Hi friends, it's Thanksgiving weekend and I'm coming to you from the Southwest Desert, and it's a beautiful day here. I have been absent from YouTube for a while. I'll get you caught up, but let's just check out what's going on around here now. The first thing we did when we got to town was to find the general store and get some last minute supplies, and then we headed out to the BLM land to find a nice place to park for the night and watch the sunset. Oh my God, you see? No, you stay right here. That's a coyote. So we rolled into camp tonight, and the first thing we saw was a coyote, or a coy dog, or I don't know what they call them out here. And so Mala's gonna stay on the leash. She really wanted to go chase it, play with it. Not a friend. Let's get a cup of coffee. So here we are, first morning. I am at Plamosa BLM, and that is outside of Quartzsite. And I just kind of parked for the night. I didn't really choose a long stay site, just wanted to get parked to watch the sunset and then kind of orient myself to the directions and how I want to position the bus for a longer stay of maybe a couple of days. And then I'm gonna head into the LTVA and check that out. But for right now, I've got plenty of supplies, so Mala and I are going to just find a campsite for a couple of nights and enjoy where we are. So a couple days later, I met up with my friend Susan from one of my camping groups, and we decided that we wanted to camp a little closer to people for this holiday week. So we pulled into an area where there was a number of campers, and it turns out we were welcomed by a group for this Friendsgiving in the desert. Perfect. It's 4:20 on Tuesday afternoon, and there is a meet and greet up the path up here. So we're gonna go meet and greet our Thanksgiving neighbors here in Quartzsite. Come on, Mala, let's go to the party.
You're crazy, I hope you're not alone without me. Society, crazy, I hope you're not angry if I disagree.
Well, you can't go to a Friendsgiving empty-handed. So I think I'm gonna make some rolls. So this is my little camp stove, and it has a 10-inch pizza stone in the bottom. And I'm going to put a fire-resistant cloth over it to insulate it. Getting started on a new batch of Thanksgiving rolls. Rise. Time to check the dough. Oh yes.
7 minutes.
I borrowed a few dogs for the day. All right, we are going to take the rolls out of the oven right now. Look at those. I'm not going to complain about that one bit. Awesome. Thanksgiving dinner rolls, camp style. Those are amazing, are they not? Well, that's a wrap for Thanksgiving this year. Stick around and I will catch you up on where we've been and what's been going on in life.